I had to start my business over from scratch today, here's 5 things that I would not do again. Number 1, try to grow on multiple platforms at one time. At one point in my business, I was trying to grow on YouTube, Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, everything at one time. And it was not only exhausting, but it was watering down my message. I do encourage my students to be on multiple platforms because I think it's really important to have an omnipresence, but I don't try to grow them all. Number 2, I would not have email workflows. So when I first started with lead magnets and things like that, I wouldn't have a workflow. You would opt in, I would email you the lead magnet, great. But then I was like, well, they're on my list, so when I send out broadcasts, they'll get it. So what would happen is they would get my lead magnet, maybe I'd send out a broadcast a month later when I had some sort of promo, and they forgot about me. Like they didn't know my name or anything. So they would unsubscribe. So important that you have workflows to not only stay out in front of your leads, but also to make your life simpler. It's automated. Number 3, oh my God, and this is huge, and this is more for the service providers out there. I would not ever charge by the hour again. When I first started my business in social media management, I didn't know my worth. I didn't know my value. I came from a job that was always coaching me everything I was doing wrong. And so I just took the hourly wage I was making at my job and added like $5 to it. And I was like, shit, if I could get a $5 raise, that would be great. And I tied myself again to an hourly rate. Big mistake, because then you're capped. You only have so many hours in the day, so you're capped. And the 4th thing, and my God, this is big, but give people my real phone number. If you are someone who is going to be using text message marketing or something to that sort, and get a digital number that maybe you get notifications on your phone, then use Slack or WhatsApp or something like that to communicate with your clients. But you have to learn how to protect your peace. You have to learn how to set boundaries in your business. And it's really hard when people have your actual phone number. Number 5, and this is really big, but I would not try to film content every single day. You are not at the top of your game every day. You are not inspired or creative every day, and you need to be batching. There are days where you're just gonna wake up and you're not feeling it. You're not feeling like being on camera. You're not feeling like talking to anyone. So when you're putting that pressure on yourself to film content every single day, instead of creating it on days you feel inspired or you're getting it all done at one time, a lot of your content is low vibe, it's bad energy, it's not connected to your offer, and so it's not resonating. And then you feel like, man, I'm just doing all the things, it's not working. So you really need to learn how to batch your content properly and how to put a rinse and repeat framework into your business. So if you made it this far in the video, lucky for you, I actually created a free masterclass step-by-step with my rinse and repeat framework that has allowed me to grow my business to multiple 6 figures without constantly creating new content or spending 24/7 on social media. And you can get the masterclass for free right there in my Stan store.